Hello, my name is Saaim, and I'm a former student here at Unity. I was here for about 8 years, from grade 5 up until I graduated. So right now I'm studying at KMITL in Bangkok. I'm majoring in software engineering there. It's been great, made some new friends, but it's not like Unity where I've grown up and made lifelong friends. I was around 8 or 9 years old when I started at Unity. This was like the first school I came to when I moved to Thailand. It was very welcoming and it was a really great community here. When I first came to Unity, I was really uncertain about my ability in mathematics and also in programming. But since coming here, the teachers and friends have helped me through each year to get better and better at those skills. Unity has really helped me decide what I want to do in the future. They have facilitated many opportunities for me and all the other students that were here, such as they helped me explore coding, robotics, athletics. You also have student council, which gives you opportunities to connect with the community and gain some valuable leadership skills. After experiencing everything, I've ultimately decided on my future and what I want to do. I've made many connections and friends in the school, and this is a community that I will never forget.